If you want to rotate and flip a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest way to import your clip, place it on the timeline, and use CapCut's rotate option to flip or turn your video in just a few clicks. This is perfect if your footage was recorded upside down, sideways, or you just want to create a different visual effect for your edit. If this video helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once your project is ready, import the video you want to edit. You can usually do this by clicking the import button and selecting your file from your device. After the video loads in, drag it down to the timeline. The timeline is where all your main edits will happen, so make sure your clip is placed there before moving on. Next, click on the video in the timeline to highlight it. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. Once the video is selected, look just above the timeline for the rotate tool. In CapCut, this is the icon that looks like two triangles separated by arrows. That is the button you'll use for rotation or flipping, depending on the version and layout you're using. Now click the rotate option and your video will instantly flip or rotate based on the control you selected. If your clip was sideways, keep adjusting until it looks the way you want. If you're rotating for a specific style, take a moment to preview the results so you can make sure the video is aligned correctly. CapCut makes this process very easy, so even if you're a beginner, you can fix orientation issues in seconds. If you need to make additional adjustments, you can continue working from the same selected clip and fine-tune the position after rotating it. This is helpful if the video doesn't fit perfectly after the flip. Just check the preview window and make sure your subject is centered and the frame looks clean. And that's it. You've now learned how to rotate and flip a video in CapCut using the timeline and the rotate icon above it. This is one of the fastest ways to correct or transform a clip without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.